I'll
okay.
take
That
one
one
for
has
the
a
team.
big chunk of
I kind of wanted that.
eggplant. Or is it olive?
That's olive.
Oh, I want that one for sure.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's see how this tastes. Coming in hot.
Looks good.
Hey, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
What are we doing today?
I was going to ask that.
Oh.
It's my turn to ask.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. What are we doing today, John?
I don't know if we're far enough along in our relationship for me to share that. Just kidding. We are making Bomba Calabrese. If you have never had this, you have to keep watching. You may get bored, but I promise this will change your life. It's a spicy Southern Italian relish that you can put on bowls, on salads, on breads, on pizza, on pasta.
Crackers with cream cheese?
Yeah, cheese creams.
Yeah.
It is so yummy. It's spicy. It's savory. It's phenomenal. Keep watching. We're gonna make some Bomba Calabrese. So to start off, I like prep chopping all of our vegetables before we start cooking them. So we're gonna throw our mushrooms, shallots, and eggplant into the food processor and give that a good long pulse. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit in the bowl so everything kind of gets chopped up evenly. And because it's Friday night, I decided that I deserved a Negroni cocktail, because who doesn't like having a cocktail when you're cooking something? Next, I'm going to throw our red bell peppers and Fresno chili peppers into the food processor. We don't want those to process too long so they become liquefied. We just want a fairly fine mince. Lastly, I'm just going to mince up our garlic, olives, and capers in our little mini prep, and we are now ready to start cooking this amazing sauce. So we've got our pan at a medium-high heat. I'm going to add a big glug of olive oil, and I'm going to start cooking the mushroom and eggplant mixture. Once that's in the pan and stirred up, I'm going to add a healthy dose of salt to start to sweat out the moisture. And as you can tell, I've moved on from the Negroni, and I am now having an old-fashioned with cherry bitters. After the mushroom and eggplant mixture has been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to add in our fresh pepper mixture along with some Calabrian chili paste and a big healthy dose of olive oil. We're going to cook that for around 3 to 4 minutes. After that's done, we're going to add in our caper and olive mixture along with all of our dried herbs, a big hit of salt, and then we're going to drop the temp down to about a medium low and let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our Bomba Calabrese is just about done. So it's been about 25 minutes. We're going to take it off the heat. We're just going to add a little bit of white wine vinegar, some more olive oil, a little bit more salt, give that a stir, and then just slowly let that come to a room temp, and you are ready to slather this on anything you would like. This looks yummy.
I noticed the bigger piece is on your side.
That was your doing. I'll take the smaller piece.
No, it's
I'll
okay.
take
That one
for
has
the
a
team.
big chunk of
I kind of wanted that.
eggplant. Or is it olive?
That's olive.
Oh, I want that one for sure.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's see how this tastes. Coming in hot.
Looks good.
We're trying this on a locally made gluten-free sourdough. That's really good. What do you think?
The Bomba Calabrese is really good.
The bread.
The bread, not so much, but it more than makes up for the bread.
Yes. Very flavorful. A little bit of heat on the back end.
Yeah.
Really.
But it's very well
balanced.
Balanced, thank you.
Yeah,
yes, it's not. I'm not a huge tapenade fan because I think it's too salty, and this is.
But this isn't really...
This isn't tapenade, but it's, I guess that's what my brain expected, but this is nicer.
And on a bite, I just got a little bit of that fennel.
Oh.
Because there's fennel in it. There's crushed fennel. So it's fun. Really fun. We're going to have this on a pizza pretty soon, but you could have this on bread. You could have, it's just really versatile. You could probably put it on pasta. So, yeah, very tasty.
Yeah,
Nice.
on vegetables.
Yeah. And it was eggplant. You love eggplant.
I do love eggplant, and I don't get to eat it enough because somebody doesn't like eggplant.
I like it this way. So, thank you for
Awesome.
watching, everybody.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya.